Yo, day 2. Zachisaurus, Mamasaurus looking. Wowzers. There's the boys. Where are we going right now?
Volcano Bay.
Let's go. We're on the path now to go in there. How do I flip the phone around? Yeah? Yeah, got it. All right, there we go. Where are we going? See a huge volcano? This is cool. Yeah, I'm okay. Thank you. Wow. Entrance to a volcano. There's probably nobody here today.
I can fly.
Too fast? Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Whoa.
That's mine.
Aloha. We made it inside, Zach. Zach, what's on your wrist? What's on your hand? What's that? You got dinosaurs? Wow. Come on, Zachy. Look. Let's see the big volcano. You ready to see it? Zach, look! Look at the big volcano! Whoa! Are there any dinosaurs there? Wow! Whoa, how cool is that? Wow! Whoa! Volcano baby! We gotta get our picture all ready. Alright, we'll be back. After a very rigorous picture taking process, we did it. Congratulations, Mama. 375 takes later, we got it done. Aloha! Boom.
Look how great that came out.
Can't even see it in the glare. We tried. Ah. Oh my God, what happened? Ah. You just get wet. Come on, let's go. Let's get in the water. Oh. Volcano Bay. Wow. Oh, that's cool. Zachy, you want to go in there? You want to go down the slide? We can. All done? Let's go. Want to go down the slide? All right, let's go to the top. Did you like it? Oh, me and Zion.
Oh my god.
We're in the Adventure River. Oh.
Yeah, you feel good?
This is me and Zion's favorite thing about
Wow.
Volcano Bay. This thing is so fun.
Wow.
Wow. Dude. Yo, look.
I almost died
You almost,
here. Yeah.
legit almost died.
Like, there's this thing that pushes the wave, and I almost got sucked into that.
Whoa.
Be careful, that was like big pressure thing.
Is there?
Yeah.
See ya.
See you later, dude.
Whoa. See you later, nerd. Nerd.
I can't even touch.
No?
No. Yeah, go under it.
There's another entrance there. Now we're going under the volcano. We went on that before. That was fun.
Huh?
We went on that before. That was fun.
You're gonna drop me, man.
Oh, POV, Lazy River, Adventure River. There's Zion up there. That look good in orange. Whoa.
Oh my god.
Fun?
Yeah. I'm running.
This
I'm
big-
touching the bottle.
You're running like Naruto.
Who's
Naruto.
Naruto?
Naruto running in the
Naruto.
Naruto. Naruto.
Naruto.
Naruto running. Naruto run. Oh, that guy swimming. Hey, what are you doing up there, kid?